Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your headphones TOZO HT2 from the application. You have to start by open TOZO application, and right now if our headphones is connected we can't remove it, so just turn off the headphones by pressing and hold for at least 3 seconds, and now we can see this headphones icon, so just slide to the left and then click on trash icon. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!